Good morning students. Today we will discuss that why demand curve slopes downward. Okay, as in previous video law of demand we have discussed that there is inverse relation between demand and the price of the commodity. As price of the commodity increase, then quantity demanded decrease, and price of the commodity decrease, then the quantity demanded increase. Okay, so why it slopes downward? So the demand curve slopes downward because of some causes. So the first we have is law of diminishing marginal utility. So what is law of diminishing marginal utility? Law of diminishing marginal utility states that when we consume more and more unit of a commodity, then the satisfaction or utility derived from the goods tends to decrease. Okay, it means when a consumer is purchasing more and more unit of a commodity, it means he is paying less and less money for the next successive units. वो next unit के लिए क्या है, कम प्राइस पे करना पड़ रहा है. It means वो ज़्यादा commodity purchase कर रहा है. Like we have discussed, price of the commodity is 10. Then consumer purchasing 1, 8, then he is purchasing 2, it is 6, then he is purchasing 3, it is 4, then the consumer is purchasing 4 units. Okay, it means the price of the commodity is falling, then the consumer is purchasing or increasing the units of the commodity. Okay, so first is law of diminishing marginal utility. Because of this law, there is negative slope of demand curve. It slopes downward. Okay, next we have income effect. So income also affect the demand of the people. As we have discussed, the price of the commodity increase, it means the income of the consumer, real income of the consumer decrease. अगर किसी commodity का price increase हुआ है, it means जो consumer की income है, real income of the consumer decrease. Why? क्योंकि पहले जो 100 रुपीज की आ रही थी वो क्या है 150 की आ रही है, तो it means he is spending 150 now out of his total income on that particular commodity. So the real income of the consumer is reducing. Okay, and if the price of the commodity fall, then the real income of the consumer increase, and now he can purchase more units. Means पहले like for example we can say कि जो वेजिटेबल थे उनका प्राइस बहुत ज़्यादा था, बट अभी क्या है उनका प्राइस रिड्यूस हो गया, डाउन हो गया. इट मीन्स द कंज्यूमर कैन परचेज मोर यूनिट ऑफ द वेजिटेबल. व्हाई? बिकॉज द रियल इनकम ऑफ द कंज्यूमर इंक्रीज बिकॉज ऑफ फॉल इन द प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटी. ओके, so this is also the reason that income affect the demand of the commodity, as it affect when the price of the commodity falls down, then real income of the consumer increase. Okay, so he purchase more goods, so there is the negative relation, inverse relation, so it slopes downward. The next we have substitution effect. So what is substitution? Substitution, we can say we have discussed substitution is related goods. Okay, for example tea and coffee, these are substitute goods. Okay, tea and coffee are substitute goods. If price of tea increase, then the demand for coffee increase. If the price of tea decrease, then the demand for coffee decrease. Okay, so there is positive price effect on the substitute commodity. Okay, so when price of the commodity decrease, for example price of tea decrease, then the demand for tea will increase. Okay, and demand for coffee will decrease. So there is negative relation. We can say that price of the commodity is decreasing, means price of tea is decreasing, then the demand for tea is increasing. It means there is negative, inverse, opposite relation. So that's why also the demand curve slopes downward. The next we have size of consumer group. Okay, size of consumer group. If the price of the commodity fall, then there are more buyer of commodity in the market. How? For example, earlier the price of tomato was 100 rupees per kg. Okay, consumer, we can say, used to purchase the tomato. So when the price of the tomato fall, it become 10 rupees per kg. Now the person who earlier cannot afford to purchase that tomato, now he can also purchase that. Okay, so the size of the consumer in the market increase. It means the demand for that particular commodity is increasing. Okay, so this is also the cause that size of consumer group increase in the market due to fall in the price of the commodity. So size of consumer is increasing when the price of the commodity fall. It means there is also opposite. If price increase, then the size of the consumer reduce. Okay, some consumer stop to purchase that particular commodity. Okay, so next we have different uses. A commodity can be used for different purpose, like milk. For example, milk. Milk is used to make curd, to drink. Okay, for drinking के लिए भी यूज करते हैं. To make tea, coffee, to make curd. Okay, so to make cheese. So milk is used for the different purpose. But if the price of milk increase, then the priority will be decided by the consumer that to which goods he should give the priority. अगर प्राइस बढ़ जाता है, इट मीन्स अगर पीना जरूरी है तो कंज्यूमर सिर्फ पीने के लिए और चाय के लिए यूज करेगा. ठीक है, he will stop to make cheese, coffee, etc. If price of milk decrease, then he will can purchase more goods and he will use to make curd also, to make cheese also. Okay, so due to different uses, there is downward slope of demand curve. Okay, now we will discuss that why law of demand fails. What is the reason where law of demand does not apply? जो law of demand है वो कहाँ apply नहीं होता है. Okay, so there are some cases where law of demand fails, it does not applicable. So first we have articles of distinction. As we have discussed, what law of demand says, it says that there is the inverse relation between price and quantity demanded. Okay, हमेशा अपोजिट रिलेशन होता है किसके बीच में, कि जो कंज्यूमर है वो कमोडिटी को डिमांड कर रहा है और जो कमोडिटी का प्राइस है, उनके बीच में क्या है, इनवर्स रिलेशन है, अपोजिट नेगेटिव रिलेशन है. बट लॉ ऑफ डिमांड फेल इन केस ऑफ आर्टिकल ऑफ डिस्टिंक्शन. इट मीन्स there is also called that Veblen effect in economics. One Veblen is the name of economist. Okay, so in this include, it says that there are some goods who have the which goods have the social status. Okay, for example, gold, diamond. So these goods or luxurious goods, we can say, these show the social status of a people. Okay, अगर ये गुड्स पर्सन परचेज करता है तो ये सोशल स्टेटस दिखाता है उसको. फॉर एग्जांपल किसी के मैरिज है तो जब वट एवर द प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटी और गोल्ड और डायमंड, दे हैव टू परचेज टू शो देयर सोशल स्टेटस. वो सोसाइटी में अपना सोशल जो स्टेटस है उसको मेंटेन करने के लिए उन गुड्स को परचेज करेंगे, चाहे उनका प्राइस कुछ भी है. ठीक है, डायमंड का प्राइस कुछ भी है, उसके लोग ज़्यादा डिमांड करेंगे अगर उनको परचेज करना है. वाई? बिकॉज दे डायमंड एंड गोल्ड लग्जरियस गुड हैव द सोशल स्टेटस. अब जिनके पास पैसा है, जिनको खरीदना है, वो तो खरीदेंगे चाहे प्राइस कितना हाई गया हुआ है, क्योंकि दीज थिंग्स आर द लग्जरियस थिंग फॉर दैम. लाइक किसी को लग्जरी कार लेनी है, किसी को लग्जरी बाइक लेना है, तो वो चीज़ें वो कंज्यूम करेंगे, परचेज करेंगे. वट एवर द प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटी, हायर द प्राइस दे विल डिमांड द मोर. जो रिच लोग हैं या जो अपना सोशल स्टेटस दिखाते हैं लोग, वो क्या है, जितने हाई प्राइस के गुड है उसको ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं. ठीक है, रिच सेक्शन ऑफ द सोसाइटी टू शो, टू मेंटेन देयर स्टेटस इन द सोसाइटी. ओके, सो आर्टिकल ऑफ डिस्टिंक्शन वेयर द लॉ ऑफ डिमांड फेल्स, इट डज नॉट अप्लाई. देन वी हैव गिवन गुड्स. गिवन गुड्स आर दोज गुड्स which are inferior in the quality or cheaper goods. Okay, गिवन गुड वो गुड होती है जिनकी की क्वालिटी होती है वो क्या होती है, इन्फीरियर होती है. ठीक है, उनका मतलब जब प्राइस इंक्रीज होता है या डिक्रीज होता है तो उनकी डिमांड में क्या है, इतना इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता. अगर इनकम के साथ उनका क्या होता है, नेगेटिव इफेक्ट होता है। अगर इनकी पर्सन की इनकम इंक्रीज हुई है तो जो इंफीरियर गुड्स है उनकी डिमांड क्या हो जाएगी, डिक्रीज हो जाएगी। सो दे हैव द नेगेटिव इनकम इफेक्ट। इफ इनकम ऑफ द कंज्यूमर इंक्रीज, they will stop to purchase the inferior goods or they will purchase the normal goods, okay, or good quality goods. एक person है, for example, he is consuming डालडा घी, that is of inferior quality good or we can say giffen good. अगर उसकी इनकम इंक्रीज हो जाती है तो obviously he will stop to purchase the डालडा घी and he will prefer देसी घी। तो वो डालडा की जगह देसी घी को परचेज करेगा, ना कि डालडा घी को परचेज करेगा, ठीक है, क्योंकि उसकी इनकम इंक्रीज होगी। सो इट शोज द पॉजिटिव रिलेशन। इनकम के साथ उसका क्या हो गया कि नेगेटिव रिलेशन हो गया कि इनकम बढ़ रही है तो उसकी डिमांड कम हो रही है, लेकिन प्राइस में क्या है, इसका पॉजिटिव है। अगर इंफीरियर क्वालिटी के गुड्स का प्राइस ऑफ द इंफीरियर गुड्स फॉल देन देयर डिमांड आल्सो फॉल्स, ओके। अगर इनका प्राइस फॉल हो गया तो उनकी डिमांड भी फॉल हो जाएगी। वाई? क्योंकि जो लोग क्या है वो दूसरे गुड्स को परचेज करने लग जाएंगे। देन इरेशनल जजमेंट, व्हाट इट मीन इरेशनल, कि जो कंज्यूमर है ही विल नॉट टेक द राइट डिसीजन, ओके। दिस इज मेनली वी कैन से इन सोसाइटी देयर आर two section, rich section and poor section. So rich section of the society people prefer mainly the goods which are high in price, goods which are high in quality. So for example, there are two type of goods, organic goods and non-organic goods, okay. So rich section of the society think that organic goods are high in quality, okay. No doubt organic goods are always high in quality, but they are also high in prices. So rich section of the society will prefer organic goods. So there also law of demand fails. When people are purchasing, demanding more goods, when the price of the commodity is high, it means where there the law of demand does not apply, it fails. तो यहाँ पे भी क्या है, जो law of demand है वो क्या है, फेल हो जाता है। Whatever the price, they will purchase, okay. So these are the exceptions, we can say these are the exception of law of demand, कि ये exception है जहाँ पे law of demand है वो applicable नहीं होता है, okay. So students, we have discussed about that why law of demand, or we can say demand curve slopes downward. What are the reason कि ये downward क्यों slope होता है? So we have discussed that there are different uses of goods, income effect, substitution effect, okay. Then we have discussed that where law of demand does not apply, okay. So these are the exception of the law of demand, article of distinction, जो social status को दिखाती है, उन goods पे law of demand नहीं apply होता है। Then we have given goods, goods which are inferior in quality, cheaper goods. So the price of the cheaper goods fall, then the demand also fall. Then we have irrational judgment, okay. This section of the society always prefer the goods which are high in quality, high in price. So there also law of demand fails, okay. So watch the video, also read this topic from your book. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.